Hello and welcome back to Mungai's Space. My name is Tracy. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a French bean or a green bean recipe, also known as Miciri. Miciri is a Kikuyu word for these beans, and sorry, I don't know the name in Kiswahili yet by the time I'm recording this, but they're rich in protein, iron, and vitamin. And if you add the carrots, you get fiber and antioxidants. The calorie count for Miciri is 31 grams and the calorie count for carrots is 41 grams. It serves 4 to 6 people and only takes about 15 minutes to prepare and cook. All you need for this recipe is the green beans themselves, carrots, tomato paste, cooking oil, salt, water, and some spices if you like. Now that you have the ingredients, let's start cooking. Here's how we did it. Heat the cooking pot and add cooking oil, onions, and tomatoes. Add tomato paste. Add a little water if it starts to stick to the cooking pot. Stir and cover it up. As that cooks, cut the carrots into cubes. Sometimes the local markets add a bit of carrots, cucumber, pumpkin, or purple cabbage, which is what you see here. Back to what's on the cooking pot. Uncover and add salt and spices. We added curry powder, turmeric, and Royco beef cube. Then stir. Wash the miciri or run them through water. Add to the tomatoes and stir. Cover and let that cook. And then serve. I didn't get a picture of the final plated miciri, but best believe they were delicious. Have you ever cooked French beans before? How do you do it? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. And shout out to my sister for preparing this delicious meal.